Welcome. Hi, my name is James Cornelius. I'm the sales and support manager here at Two Technologies. And today being Monday, one of the topics that we discuss during our weekly Monday business development discussions that we have here at Two Technologies, we talked about Windows 8 and navigating Windows 8. Now, for some of you guys who may or may not know, Windows 8 is a completely redesigned operating system by Microsoft. Now, pretty much it's still the same platform. It's just the GUI that has changed. The graphical user interface. Before we're used to that desktop model with the start menu and the programs and the control panel and the my computer being where it is. But they have changed their totally changed their graphical user interface, and they call it now the live tile. And live tile is really trending towards the industry. So we definitely understand why Microsoft is doing that, because everything is touch. Everything from your cell phones to your iPads, you name it, everything is touch. And they're trending their operating system towards what they see in the future, which is touch devices. Okay? So these tiles are basically small apps that are running, that are being streamed information and updated, live. So basically, as let's say I have the Facebook application open, I have a weather app open, I have some news apps open, Skype open, and what it's doing is that information is refreshing. I don't know if you can see it from the camera vantage point, but this stuff is refreshing. We have offices in Arizona, New York, and Philadelphia. I have the weather set to those three areas. So as the weather changes and the provider deems it necessary to send me that information, what they'll do is they'll send me an updated information letting me know that the weather has changed. Okay, so we can see down the road how some of these things may come really handy to have, and to have information in real time is great. However, again, being a systems engineer for Microsoft since Windows NT, almost 20 years, I've come accustomed to certain things being in certain places. I want my thing here and I want that over here. I get the frustration. All right. Here's one of the solutions that came up in a discussion. If you go to Classic Shell, there's an application and it's free, guys. It's totally free. You can find it on classicshell.net. Again, classicshell.net. And what Classic Shell does is it's a small app that runs in a shell environment that gives you the look and the feel of the operating system that you're used to. So if you're used to Windows XP and you've been running Windows XP for God knows how long, and you like things over here, you can load Windows Classic Shell. And here you have your three options, which is Windows Classic, which is more of a 98 feel, has XP, Vista, and 7. I have it set to Vista and 7. And then, once I click desktop in Windows, when you boot up, you get the tile. But if you look at one of the tiles says desktop. When you click that desktop, it gives you the same feel. You won't even know that you're actually in a different operating system designed for touch. All right. So my start menu is where it is. My shutdown is where it is. Just in case if you were looking for shutdown, it's actually when you put your mouse in the corner and you click settings, you can find your power shutdown. But if you want it back in the same place where I have it, boom, it's there. All right. And just about everything is there, from your control panel to my computer to your programs. Everything that you're used to seeing in terms of your desktop has been replaced. Okay. Not replaced, but put back. Okay. So that you can basically get work done the way you used to basically do work. Okay. So that might solve one issue if you're having that particular one issue, which a lot of our subscribers are telling us that really is their frustration, just the navigation portion of Windows 8. Catch us on our video blog at 2tech4u.com. That's the number 2, tech, T-E-C-H, the number 4, the letter U.com, and that's where our video blog is. Or visit our website, which is the word 2, T-W-O, tech4u.com. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.